Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you an example on how to find the probability for a sample proportion. A similar question to this was asked in the 2021 Maths Methods Exam 1 and 51% of the students got 0 marks for that question and only 29% of the students got the full 3 marks. So hopefully after watching this video you should feel confident answering sample proportion questions and getting full marks in your SACs and exams. For this question, we've got suppose that the probability of a male child is 0.5 and that a family has 5 children. Determine the probability that the proportion of male children in the family is less than 0.4. That is, find the probability that p hat is less than 0.4. To find the probability that p hat is going to be less than 0.4, what we need to do is change p hat to an x, where x is a binomial distribution, and then multiply this number by the sample size. And so if we define x as a binomial distribution NP, where x is going to be the number of male children the family is going to have, n is going to be 5, p, the probability of having a male child, is going to be 1/2. And so the probability that p hat is going to be less than 0.4 is going to be the same as the probability that x is going to be less than 0.4, which is the same as 4 on 10 times the sample size, which is 5. And so this is the same as the probability that x is less than 20 on 10, which is 2. The probability that x is less than 2 is the same as the probability that x is equal to 0 plus the probability that x is equal to 1. From here, we need to use the binomial distribution formula to work this out. And that is the probability that x is equal to small x is equal to ncx times p to the power of x times 1 minus p to the power of n minus x. And so the probability that x is equal to 0 is going to be 5c0 times p to the power of 0, which is 1/2 to the power of 0, and then times 1 minus p, which is 1/2 to the power of 5. And then plus the probability that x is equal to 1 is going to be 5c1 times 1/2 to the power of 1 times 1/2 to the power of 4. Simplifying this, 5c0 is going to be 1, 1/2 to the power of 0 is equal to 1, and so we're going to get 1/2 to the power of 5, which is 1 on 32. And then plus 5c1 is equal to 5, and so this is going to be 5 times 1/2 times 1/2 to the power of 4 is 1 on 16. And so simplifying this further, this is going to be 1 on 32 plus 5 on 32, which is equal to 6 on 32. And so simplifying this further, 2 goes into 6 3 times, into 32 16 times. And so the answer is going to be 3 on 16 in simplest form. And that's it for this question. Hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, give it a thumbs up or comment below and let me know. And if you guys want to learn or practice more questions similar to this one, then log into the Maths Methods Club. And from the main topic, select Statistics. And then from the subtopic, select Sample Proportion. Go to Question Type, select Tech Free, and then click on Filter. This is then going to instantly group all the past Maths Methods exam questions related to just sample proportion questions. Try out the 2021 Question 6C, which was similar to the question we just did, and hopefully you should get 3 marks for this question. And after that, try out the other questions related to this topic. This way you can test your understanding on finding the probability of sample proportions. Good luck, and I'll see you guys in the next video.